Let us make some changes to the side-by-side bar chart here, so that it looks a lot better in terms of presentation. Because some of these presentations or some of these dashboards, they look a little more complicated. So it's like this. Let's save it. Still working towards that. So you can stretch this and you can adjust format, the layout and the format. Same will be done for these also. It's a bit slow. So this is how your side-by-side bar chart or the price analysis dashboard appears and looks like. You can sort the brand names also if you want. You can also decide which brands you want to retain, which brands you want to. It's like only a limited few set of items also. By selecting or deselecting here, just add the dashboard. Not essentially the dashboard and device. Select on device here, we add this one. This is the desktop mode that we are seeing here. So we can make those changes accordingly. So we are adjusting the filters and the worksheet simultaneously. And so we can change the settings for the device type. We can select which one we want. We are selecting your iPad Pro 12.9 inches for the desktop, of course. Then we can also change this. Click here. You see these are the desktop sizes that are here. So let's select 2565.4. You can also switch to portrait mode. This is a landscape mode, so let's select that. This is how your portrait mode will look like. So this is how you are selecting the. This is how we are creating a dashboard for the different product types that we have seen or selected. And this is for the, of course, the price data analysis. If you selected null, you will be selected. So let us save this session. For the given dashboard, if you want to add any grid lines, you can also add the grid. You can show the grid. You can copy and export the image. That's the grid that we are seeing here. Copy this image. You can also export this image if you want. Export this image also. So let's go. Let us export this image. So click on dashboard. Export image. It's a product analysis dashboard that we create. So click save. Verified. Desktop lab sessions. File. Right, so that's the dashboard that we exported. This is how it looks like. That's how your dashboard is showing about here. That's an image file, of course. Close this. Out here, let's do dashboard. Let's set the grid options. Grid size is 120 big, so that's fair, that's fine. So this is how you have created the dashboards. And now let us save this file and move on to a new file or a new example or a case study.